I'm going to talk about the bony points of the knee region and then move on to the muscles of the knee region and also the joints. So I'm just going to start with the bony landmarks. So I'm just going to show you where the adductor tubercle of the femur is. This can be found here on the medial aspect. I'm going to move on to the medial epicondyle of the femur, which is found here, and the lateral epicondyle, which is here. Move on to the medial condyle of the tibia, which we can see here. The head of the fibula, just going to find, is here. Tibial tuberosity, which we can see here. I'm just going to talk about the patella now. This region here is called the patella. This is the base of the patella, the medial aspect of the patella, so medial border. This is then the lateral border, and then the apex of the patella at the bottom. I'm now going to just move on and talk about the joints region. So the first joint region I'm going to talk about is the patellofemoral joint. This is found between the femur and the patella in here. So, there. And the second joint is the superior tibiofibular joint, which is found between the tibia and the fibula in here. Now I'm going to move on to the muscles of the knee region. So I'm going to start off with the quadricep grip. The quadricep grip has 4 muscles in it, the first being the 3 vastus grips. So the first one is the vastus medialis. Vastus medialis originates from the femur and inserts into the tibial tuberosity. Next one is vastus lateralis. It originates from the greater trochanter and inserts into the tibial tuberosity as well. You then have the vastus intermedialis, which originates from the femur and inserts into the tibia tuberosity. And the last muscle in the quadricep grip is the rectus femoris. This originates from the AIIS here and inserts into the tibial tuberosity as well. The next group of muscles in the knee region is the hamstrings. So the first one is the bicep femoris. This originates from the ischial tuberosity, which is here, and inserts into the head of the fibula, which you can see here. Next one is the semitendinosus. This also originates from the ischial tuberosity here, but it inserts into the pes anserinus, and the pes anserinus we can see here. The last muscle in the hamstring grip is the semimembranosus. This also originates from the ischial tuberosity and inserts into the medial tibia, which is here. I'm now going to move on to adductor magnus. Adductor magnus originates from the ischial tuberosity, which is here again, and also the inferior ramus, the pubic body, which we can see here, and it inserts into the femur. Next one is poplitus. This originates from the lateral femoral condyle. Lateral femoral condyle is here, in the lateral aspect of the femur, and inserts into the posterior tibia. Posterior tibia, just on the line. You can see along here. The last muscle in the knee area is the gracilis. The gracilis originates from the inferior ramus, again, which is up here, and inserts into the pes anserinus, which is here.